What's up everybody, Stu with Ukulele Zen. This is going to be a short video on a very important subject, how to best hold your ukulele. If you know how to hold the ukulele effortlessly, all your playing becomes so much easier. So this is a really important subject. We're going to cover in this video standing, sitting, playing with a strap, and also playing without a strap. A very important topic, so I hope that you will get your ukulele and join in. I got some good stuff to share with you. When I first started to play and teach the ukulele back in 2001, I learned one thing very quickly. The ukulele is slippery. I would play one chord and the thing would fall out of my hands. One time it fell on the floor and a room full of fourth graders just cracked up. So I was determined to find a way of how could I hold this ukulele in a way where it's stable, but not so tight that I can't quickly move my chords where I want them to. Come on, let's join in. First, let's talk about standing position. First, stand up and look at your feet. Make sure that your feet are parallel and they're not twisted or doing anything like that. They should be parallel against the floor. Knees are not locked. You're just relaxed. Feel a little bounce in your knees. Next, connect with what your center line is, because one very important principle for everything in this video is you want to bring the uke to you, not you to the uke. Because if you bring you to the uke, you're going to find yourself twisting your back, hunching up your shoulder, making your neck tight, and you know what that means. You're going to have a headache or a tight set of muscles. I want you to have a loose and relaxed touch to your instrument. So I've got a whole bunch more to share with you, but if you're enjoying this video, will you do me a huge favor and click the like button? Appreciate that very much. And please share this video with your friends. And if you're digging the content here, click the subscribe button right below. Those small actions really help YouTubers like myself out in a huge way. So thanks so much. Appreciate you being here. Let's keep on going. So we find our center. Next, the contact points. When you feel your center, place the ukulele against your body. For me, it's right about where the rib cage ends, but you can experiment with what is best for you. There is another important contact point, and it's right about here. So what we're going to do is we're going to contact just below the elbow onto the instrument. And what I'd like you to do right now is just hold it. Just hold it. And now just hold on to the whole ukulele. Let go with this hand. And I'd like you to feel that the weight of the arm is doing the pushing. Yes, we are squeezing a little bit, but it's mostly that our arm is very relaxed and it's just keeping the uke in place by its body weight. Once you can feel this, hold on to the instrument and just strum with your thumb, just to prove to yourself that you can hold it in place and move the wrist and the fingers in a relaxed way. The next step is, of course, to bring the left hand in. Since we don't have a strap, our left hand is going to do a little bit of pushing as well. Bend your elbow and see where does your hand naturally want to be. It's going to be different for everybody. For me, when I bend my elbow with a relaxed shoulder, my hand likes to hang out right about here. That's where you're going to want to put your ukulele. We don't want to have the ukulele too low because then we have to bend down to reach for it. And we don't want the ukulele too high because then we have to reach up and twist our backs to reach it. So we find the contact points, bend the elbow, and now just allow the ukulele to rest. Just for now, rest in this little L shape, this V shape that you're making in your hand. And feel that it's just cradled in your arms, just like a little baby, okay? Next, you can curl the fingers around, and you may find that with most of the weight held here against this side of the body, this hand is free to just touch with the thumb and the fingers. Now, if you still like to have that V shape, that's okay, but just make sure that you're not gripping tightly. Should be nice and loose. Best, I think, if you just hold the ukulele with the thumb and this finger. You can almost feel that the hand is holding it up. You see how I'm moving it up with this hand? Okay? Okay, so go ahead, experiment with this. There is a lot more to share, so please click right here for part 2, and we're going to get into a bit more about playing the ukulele standing and sitting. I'll see you right over there. Thanks.